In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply a Photoshop brush effectively to your image, creating a similar effect like you would in the darkroom by painting on the developer. So I'm going to convert the image to black and white, and I'm going to add a grain effect as well. If you're unsure of how to do this, please watch the previous video, Digital Darkroom 1, and I'll show you how to do this. So this creates almost like a contact print feel like you get in the darkroom. I'm just going to tweak the levels ever so slightly. Then I'm going to add a mask to our layer just by clicking on this rectangle with the circle in it. Here's our mask. And then I'm going to go to the Photoshop brush tools. Now, if you have a look at the description below, you'll see that I have linked a video in how to make a Photoshop brush with some textures as well. So if you're unsure of how to make a Photoshop brush, just click on that video and I'll show you how you can make these. So you can see I've got brush strokes and paint splats. So I'm just going to select this one, and here you can see that you're able to make the brush bigger or smaller, so I'm just going to reduce it down a little bit. And then I'm going to paint this onto my mask layer in black. There you go. So you can see where it's black here, it has now disappeared off my image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invert that layer. So to do that, you have to go to Command and I, and it creates a negative. So now you can see what's happening is it's deleted the area in black and kept the area in white. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some more brushes as well. So I'm going to add some more brush strokes to it. And what this does is it's recreating that effect of in the darkroom when you paint the developer on, you know, exposing only part of the image. I think I've got a paint splat here yet. So again, if you watch that Photoshop brush video, it'll show you how you can make these. I'm just going to add this one. So you can see here I've got several brushes that I've made. So when you're happy, go back to that mask, click Command and I, and then if I go to layer and flatten that image, there you go. It looks like the developer has been painted on.